Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve for YouTube. This incredible, free software offers professional-grade tools for every step of your video creation journey. From initial cuts to final color grades and audio mixes, Resolve provides an all-in-one solution. You can streamline your workflow, ensuring your content looks and sounds fantastic for your audience. Let's dive into how to leverage its powerful features to elevate your YouTube channel. Your editing journey typically starts in the cut page, designed for rapid assembly of your footage. Here, you can quickly trim clips and arrange them on the timeline. For more detailed work, transition to the edit page, where you can fine-tune your cuts, add transitions, and incorporate various effects. Mastering keyboard shortcuts will significantly boost your efficiency, allowing you to focus more on creative storytelling and less on navigating menus. To make your videos visually stunning, the color page offers advanced tools for color correction and creative grading, ensuring your footage looks its absolute best. For pristine audio, the Fairlight page provides a comprehensive suite for mixing, cleaning, and mastering your sound. Additionally, the Fusion page allows you to create sophisticated titles, lower thirds, and complex motion graphics, adding a professional polish to your YouTube content. Finally, when your video is complete, head to the Deliver page to export your masterpiece. DaVinci Resolve includes a convenient YouTube preset, which automatically configures many optimal settings for the platform. For the best quality, ensure your video resolution is at least 1920 by 1080 pixels. Exporting at 24, 25, or 30 frames per second will provide smooth, high-quality playback for your viewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.